In this video, we are going to demonstrate an essential tutorial on how to change your N26 password, ensuring your financial security is top-notch. Before we dive into the details, please take a moment to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Media Magnet Guide, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up to show your support. If you don't have an N26 account yet, use my referral link in the description to create an account and start your N26 journey with a bonus. Changing your N26 password is a simple but crucial step in keeping your account secure. First, open the N26 app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Navigate to the Settings menu, typically located in the top right corner or by tapping on your profile picture. Scroll down and look for Security. Tap on Security, and you'll find the option to change your password. Select it. You'll need to enter your current password and then your new password twice to confirm. Remember to create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Once you've filled in the required fields, hit Save or Confirm, depending on your device. Your N26 password is now updated. There you have it. Changing your N26 password is a breeze. By following these simple steps, you've taken a significant step in safeguarding your financial information. If you found this tutorial helpful or have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more useful tutorials. And remember, if you're new to N26, use my referral link in the description to create your account and get started with a bonus. For more in-depth tutorials and valuable information, visit mediamagnetguide.com. You'll find a wide range of resources to enhance your tech knowledge. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.